I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands, strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law, hope they won't shoot me down soon. Catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Sobrang na-stress po ako. Sumasabay po kasi sa schoolworks. Pero nung nandito na po, doon ko na po nararamdaman na ito na po yung araw na to and magse-celebrate na kami. And very thankful ako sa mga guests po na pumunta po.
Kung tungkol kay Tricia, napakabait na bata yan. Simula nung pinanganak yan hanggang sa nag-aral, very humble siya. Masunurin. Kaya wala akong masabi kundi mahal na mahal namin yung bata ngayon. Kasi kami yung nakasubaybay sa kanila simula pa nung maliit siya.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Asia. Sana makamit mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Stay humble and stay beautiful as always. God bless. Happy 18th birthday.
Nakakalungkot nga kasi iniisip ko na 18 na siya, adult na. Baka mag-aasawa na wala na kaming baby. Pero hindi. Alam ko wala pang boyfriend. Bait na bata yung masunod. My first love, happy birthday. Stay as sweet as you are, baby.
Happy birthday, Ate Isha! Sana pag nag-chat kami sa GC, reply agad, wag mo lang long press. Apart! Happy birthday, Isha!
Ayan, si Tricia po ay very loving person. Madami siyang gustong gawin, as in talagang multitasking siya. Talagang kahit sabay-sabay, kinakaya niya, lalong-lalo na sa kanyang studies. Sobrang careful siya pagdating sa mga grades niya and very good na bata kasi bilang ate sa kanyang mga kapatid, she's very responsible pagdating sa school nila, sa mga assignments and all, pati sa pag-aalaga. Yung mga bagay pa na gusto niyang gawin is naisisingit pa niya sa oras niya kahit na super busy niya. Ang prayer namin sa'yo at declaration namin sa'yo, anak, is kung ano yung will at purpose sa'yo ni God, yun ang gawin mo. Seek God first, so naka-align kay Lord. Kami, hindi ka namin kayang i-prosper, but only God can prosper you. Ikaw lang ang magtatanim. Didiligan natin ng panalangin lahat ng mga gusto mo sa buhay. And also, syempre, pag nadiligan natin ng panalangin, si Lord na ang bahalang magpatubo nito. Siya na ang bahalang magbigay ng bunga nito sa'yo. So, always seek God, always trust God in everything that you do. Kasi kapag si Lord ang nauna sa lahat ng mga pangangailangan mo, si Lord ang sinasandalan mo, nothing will happen and surely success will tayo. Yun, ibibigay ni Lord para sa'yo. Happy birthday, Ate Isha! We love you!
Thank you so much po. Very grateful po ako, especially sa family ko po, sa parents ko po, kay Mama Lani and Papa Brian po. And of course, sa mga relatives po na umuwi pa po, Lord, umuwi pa po dito. Galing pa po silang Isabela para tumulong at umattend. Sa mga friends din po na pumunta, thank you so much po. Despite sa busy schedules, nakapunta po sila.
Happy birthday, Trisha! Happy birthday, Trisha!
If you want it, I got to come get this. I gotta be everything you want me to be, babe. You know I'm loyal. This hand is loyal. It don't get no better than this. If you need to be feeling, believe it, I'm gonna be everything you want me to be, babe. You know I'm loyal. This hand is loyal. It don't get no better than this. When I come up to your doorstep, little knockety knock knock, what you got for your mama? You can cut out the drama, leave it in the past, so you might as well keep your smile. But I know you're good for it. You never
What is her comfort food?
I know you're good
Okay,
for
what
it.
is
You
her
always
comfort
let me
food?
down.
Anyone?
Baby, been thinking about you lately.
Trip to Hong Kong, Macau for 4 days and 3 nights.
Been thinking about
Thank you so much. Indeed, her rich.
If you want it, I got to come get this. I gotta be everything you want me to be, babe. You know I'm loyal. This hand is loyal. It don't get no better than this. If you need to be feeling, believe it, I'm gonna be everything you want me to be, babe. You know I'm loyal. This hand is loyal. It don't get no better than this. I remember being tender to the touch. Back in the day when I cared too much. Before I knew the difference between love and lust. I remember calling men up just for fun, but crying every night because I felt so lonely. I was getting my hopes up over this one homie who, looking back, I only cared for cause he showed me this one cool singer in the Wolf Gang. I became obsessed and worshipped how he sang about his daddy leaving and the need for feeling like he could believe in God. That was me, I felt the same way. I wanted nothing more than to be able to pray without feeling like a fool by his own game. But I do, yeah I do. It's crazy what a few years can do to you. But now I'm grown and my perspective's really twisted. I'm in love with a man who I never knew existed. Speaking of him, hey baby, hey baby.
Kung alayin kay Lord at will ni Lord na i-prosper ka, ipaprosper ka niya. At yun ang pangako niya sa ating lahat. Hindi lang sa'yo, but to all of us here dito sa event place na to. Maraming salamat sa buhay mo. You are a blessing to us. And to God be all the glory. Apart from Him, we are nothing. I love you.
If you want it, I got to come get this. I gotta be everything you want me to be, babe. You know I'm loyal. This hand is loyal. It don't get no better than this. If you need to be feeling, believe it, I'm gonna be everything you want me to be, babe. You know I'm loyal. This hand is loyal. It don't get no better than this. If you want it, I got to come get this. I gotta be everything you want me to be, babe. You know I'm loyal. This hand is loyal. It don't get no better than this. If you need to be feeling, believe it, I'm gonna be everything you want me to be, babe. You know I'm loyal. This hand is loyal. It don't get no better than this.
I am deeply grateful to all of you for being here. Thank you so much po. I hope you enjoyed this day and ingat po sa pag-uwi.